My name is Stephen Mwaniki. We are in Kenyatta Road, Muigai area, Wendani Valley View, 6th Avenue. In this area, there are so many blackouts. So you find that maybe in a week you have about 3 blackouts. You're out of power. You don't have where to charge your phone. Maybe security-wise, your security lights are off at night. I'd gone to various people or various companies looking for a solar system. So that's how I came to get this company, Ob Energy. They were very fast because when I called them, they came for a site visit. First of all, what they do, they assess your house. What components do you want to be powered with the solar? So from there, they calculate the wattage. Is it a 3 watts thing, 4 watts? And they also advise you to use an LED bulb instead of the normal bulbs. These are the 2 batteries which are installed by the solar guys, and the inverter. We use them for, the inverter uses the power from the battery so that the power can go now into the whole system. I can say it's a good system because anytime power is out, the power grid is off, it automatically powers the whole house. Maybe, or powers whatever is on in the house. If there's a TV, it's still on, the fridge is still on, the lights are still on. The components are 2 big solar panels, an inverter, and 2 big batteries. They do install as per your house requirements. Maybe you want to power 4 bulbs or 5 bulbs, so the battery will be a smaller size. If you have many components that you are powering, they give you a bigger battery to support what you have in the house. Once you do the normal wiring for the power grid, the normal power grid, Ob Energy, they just come and use the same system you're using. What they do, they just isolate what you're not supposed to use. I had one problem, especially to my kids, especially on weekends. If there's no power on weekends, when they're out of school, we have issues because they want to watch cartoon, there's no power. So all the time they are complaining, Dad, what time power is going to come? So I had that stress in my mind. So I decided to get out of this stress, I have to get an option. Okay, I decided to do a 3-phase, but I asked myself one question. I'll do the 3-phase, and the time there is no power at all, what will happen? This system has really helped me. Even charging my phone, I used to go for 1 kilometer to charge my phone when there is no power. And me being a businessman, my phone is my office. So I need to be on all the time. So anyway, it has really helped me. Even at night, there's like a daughter of mine who can't go to sleep if there is no power. They have to wait for the mother or me. We go and they take her to her bedroom. So now these days life is okay. Every time we have power, she can walk from the sitting room to the bedroom, sleep without stress. I've connected the security system to the solar. Once the grid is off, the power grid is off, it also picks automatically from the solar system. Apparently, I'm the chairman of this estate. So we have our monthly meetings. So the last meeting we went, my neighbors were curious to know what I did to my power. So I just explained to them that I've already installed a solar system. The good thing about this solar system, it has an option. If, like, let's say during the day, there are not so many activities in the house, you can switch off the power grid and use solar. What I've done to my house, I've powered 90%. Through the solar system. I've already powered 90. The 10 is only for the water heaters and maybe a microwave. So what I'm anticipating right now is to reduce the cost of power by 80%. Reason being, when you switch off the power grid, so we know, like during the day, we only need the fridge to be on and maybe the TV because of the young girl. That's all. Because the security lights are off during the day. So I anticipate to use about 80%, to reduce on 80% on the power grid, because there's nothing much is happening during the day. So I would advise my neighbors not even my neighbors, anyone who has built up a place, and maybe you have issues with power, go for this system. It's a good system. If you don't have that cash, you can always go to a bank like Equity. You source for a loan, and Equity has a partnership with Ob Energy. You'll be sorted out, and life will be good.